Well, all right, different video for y'all today. We're out here in Branson, Missouri, trying to keep from freezing to death, and they've got a pretty cool auto museum here. So we're going to just take some time, do some walking through here, checking stuff out. I mean, yeah, they call it a farm and automobile museum. So I don't know. Old mechanic would love this old stuff here, and I spent a bunch of my youth on one of these little bad boys, and then yeah. Something as old as Woody there. Got lots of good old farm equipment all the way down. Nice little Alice Chalmers. She's a runner. Super C. This one is all dolled up. New decals. Love it. So long before they put hydraulics on anything, you know, everything was just pull it behind on a drawbar. Here you go, the M. Flag holders for the parades. Cool stuff. Here you go. The backbreaker, the man maker. Minneapolis Moline. There's your lawnmower for you. 1919. What we got here? Oh, one little hydraulic for your belly mower. All gear drive. All right. So on top of having all of the tractor stuff, they've got a few cars in here. $31. It's nice paint. Very nice. There you go. Everybody needs one. Oh, that sun is terrible. What in the world? What? 58. So, like, they changed the fins on the quarter. She's bulbous back there with baby fins.
That's sweet.
It's pretty cool, yeah. Wagon, the Mercury wagon, that's what you want?
Yeah.
Which one of the Mercury wagons? I know this is probably it right here, right?
That is pretty sweet. That Mercury right there.
This stupid camera, like.
I can see myself going to work up at Dixie Stampede and that.
Yeah, we were fighting with it.
Big old cowboy on, cowboy hat on.
Big old cowboy hat, riding the 55 Bel Air, $700 Ford, 350 motor, 65,000. I mean, it's crazy. These cars, you can't find one of these that's rusted out piece of crap for under 20.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just, they're not.
This one's all been modernized, electric windows, locks, air conditioning.
Shiny.
It's not a bad, it's a pretty straight car.
Right.
You did a good job with the deck lid.
Yeah. I mean, it's a nice looking ride. For sure.
I'll take you for a ride in there.
That'd be Mas Escalante. So salmon color here. Wow, that's a nice looker. Look at the front end, the chrome work there. The Lincoln Cosmopolitan. No. Roadster. Huh. Factory 5 car for 40.
kicks up as the tires roll down the gravel road, miles of coal. Rusty hot rod engines roar, freedom waits on the ride once more. Sunset's fire lights the tree line, radio plays those tunes divine. Skies wide open, endless lane, leave behind the town's old chain. Rusty hot rod, let it fly, wind in our hair, touching the sky. Cruising down this country street in the rear view, small town dreams.
Well, there you go, folks. That was a lot. Or a little. I'm not sure. Let's go back here. Bob's big boy. Hey, you too, man. All right, so you said this was factory option, 1960 what? 67? Small block Chevy, Volkswagen, 4-wheel drive, and two 15-second shorts out of that. All right, guys, thanks for riding along on this one. It was super cold, man, like 16 degrees outside. Nobody wanted to do anything. So, hey, let's go to a car museum and check it out. Thought I'd take you guys along. You guys have an awesome day or night or whatever. We'll catch you all on the next video.